Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to change page size in Word files. Many of you get confusion, you just type and email anyone. So basically you have to get it perfectly done so that the others can easily get the size what they need to print. So first one of the basic is enable content, okay. Now this is your page. This is a letter size. This is very confusing. You just need to go for an A4, one of the default size of for printing. If suppose you get a legal document for printing, then you have to select 8.5 by 14 inch. If there is a custom size of your paper, then you have to go to more paper size. Look here, more paper size. See, if suppose it's 5 by 20 inches, then go on with 5 and height 20 inches. Your paper document will be created by 5 by 20 inches. If your document you need to is another size is 8 by 8 by 10, any of this document you have made made a size of printing, then you have to do like this. See, very simple step. Just never forget these simple basics because it's very much necessary for a common person to know it, to design any stuff or to make any of the default typing material. Thank you.